Among ife patala oji wee wulu mostly the Reverend Fathers when they were problem mostly with Evangelist Ebuka Obi no Virginia. I repeat, among ife oji wee wulu mostly the Reverend Father who have a cultural problem with Evangelist Ebuka Obi no Virginia. That reminds me, a Reverend Father called me yesterday. Respect to the Reverend Father that called me. And I want to make it clear that each time we make a video, make a reference to Reverend Fathers or Catholics. I want the Catholic in the no longer and in the Reverend Fathers we respect you all. I want you people to know that in all honesty, Namada refer to you people, but rather Anama I refer to those ones who make an instrument being used by the devil. Because even among the 12 disciples of Jesus Christ, then were Judas among them. So, respect to that Reverend Father come. I had an honest discussion with him and I explained my position with him and don't understand it. Now I'm down to Ifeneku. Why would you the Reverend Father mostly? No problem. When Evangelist Ebuka Obi said that he's a Virginia, is it that not the impossible? I am asking, is it that not the impossible for somebody to be a Virginia at this time? Because you people of all on the mad, when they suppose no many of you, as many as of you as as many as ono no ha when so young. I'm going to try as much as possible. Can now avoid you for the use of such words in English. You want to go? As many as you people, so young. Because no name if only one name. Or suppose you do anything to you people now. Because if I will only the melon, if I won't no grow you up, you want to go? Mad no way Virginia and I'm one. I know the impossible. No, the impossible. Can you? Although impossible, I know the impossible. When I know the impossible. If I were an impossible mission and task. But they keep you so easy. They ought no just to take a decision now. Worried and bothered. And among you people came going issues of Nyanwa Adubo married. Not even people like us who made decision to either marry or not. But no one they swore not to get married. Why would you among you people can when they question that decision of him to still remain single now? Pending boy why would you are you people telling us that a man must get married to a woman? In this that somebody cannot take a decision to say, okay, I don't want to get married yet, or I don't want to get married. But that is exactly, or that was exactly the oath that you people took, not to get married, and the oath of celibacy. So I don't understand. The criticism on a way in that area is coming from a strange places. That place is unusual. It is not supposed to be coming from that because that is the position Ugolu. Can you decide they not him one years another man? Why are you not married at the age of 50? Can you take the oath of celibacy that he can never criticize another person? Don't you make the same thing in name? John Owuna Ajuju. John Owuna Ajuju. Onye can do a video trigger that Reverend Father when I made the video. Even now reply Father Ugu. When I was here, no one will problem with the Evangelist Ebuka Obi. What it means is that my father owner raise that concern when one somewhere. That is what it is. Then nanko owner ne question Evangelist Ebuka Obi no possible. No, a Virginia or no, Nanka na say bongi ogona. Nka na say bongi. Nka man believe go no the highly impossible work you no ye say bongi. Therefore neighbor they say bongi. Evangelist Ebuka Obi they say bongi. Because all name man not the possible na go say go he bongi since you wish father. Why you a question another man cannot do exactly what you are doing. E what go? Ko makanu ofodu ni mu na feel na if no go through the seminary almost 10 to 11 years that a man take a decision by himself. It is a decision. Choices. You know that good? Choices. It is your own decision to be an ordained Reverend Father. It is his own decision, not your history father. but he still want to serve God in his own capacity as a brother, no go to brother or as a lay brother. If you no lay brother, a reverend father, a Anglican priest, a bishop, a evangelist, all those things will not even matter. Catholic, Anglican, Methodist, Orthodox, it cannot matter anywhere. According to so why are we allowing rules set by man? Hinder relationship with God. That is one thing I don't understand. So my most concern is that criticism is coming from an unusual place. It's more like Onyohi. They criticize Onyohi. They criticize Akwe. They criticize Akwe. That is what it means. Because now, if you know make on so okay, on what ground is it? Because go end from the same position. You know what I go? So I explained to the Reverend Father Oborum, and he understood me. He also started pleading for peace. Mana, how can you give peace to people who don't want peace? Evangelist Ebuka Obi may not have all the time to respond to them because now okay to face with so many things. But people like us, they are always to respond. And I keep telling people, just like in the Reverend Father Kuru, that no may expect Evangelist Ebuka Obi call or people like me out why that we should say he cannot do that, of course, because now other people who are involved to her by him is that moreover, even if Evangelist Ebuka Obi tries to do that, I will not, because he wasn't the person who assigned me to start doing that in the first place. So he cannot call me. And I'm not even doing it because of him. I'm doing it because of God. I'm doing it because of Christianity that we were. I'm doing it because of that. I'm not doing it because of him. I'm doing it because of God, for the sake of equity and fairness. That only on I maintain way. I'm doing it to set the record straight. I'm not doing it because of him. And I'm not even doing it because he asked me to do that. So why will he just come out and say I should stop doing that? Even if it is another person in that particular picture, I will still do the same thing. He's not a most nor Yahweh Evangelist Ebuka Obi. When we start engaging Matthias and Ndotu, we are not engaging him because of any pastor or any priest he's calling out specifically. We are engaging him because of constant criticism and attack on our launch towards the men of God in quote, not Ebuka Obi or any man of God in particular. So that is exactly, I had a very fruitful discussion with him, and he was very, in fact, many Reverend sisters and Reverend Fathers and the clergymen that I have spoken with, including a bishop that I have spoken with since I started this engagement, Hannah appear very gentle and very understanding, except those who surely do mischievous. Only can you about intention. Before I come after somebody on this Facebook, I must have examined your intention for not do clear. Or do clear your intention do good and clear. We can only start. It will even be easier for us to make you to change strategy. What I go, so that we can all get to the same destination, because your intention do pure. But intention not do pure. It is more like you cannot wake him up because you wake him up because on at the state of unconscious state, ignorant state, a vulnerable state. Because when the vulnerable, anything can happen. But when you wake him up, he will wake up. But when they pretend they on Allah, just like most of these priests and brothers in the now launch Evangelist Ebuka Obi, they are awake but pretending to be sleeping. So how can you wake them up? It's a question. So share this video. Share this video. Let's go.